Focus on me. Hello you guys. I swear the enemy does not want me to vlog. I literally just started vlogging and this whole memory card, you may not be able to see it, but it just broke. It just randomly broke. Let's go back to Vlogmas. So what happened with Vlogmas, literally one, we've been dealing with the process of moving into our new home and, you know, trying to close on that and getting all the documentation and stuff in. It's super stressful, whatever. That, then Taylor got sick, then Cam got sick, then Taylor got pink eye, then Taylor got sick again. She got over pink eye and got sick again, like a cold. Every time they get sick, I always take them to get tested just to be sure, because she was going to school, and of course, like, you know, germs. So every single time I took them, they tested negative. But literally right the day of Christmas, I started feeling really bad, and I left, and the next day I was like worse. The next day I was worse. I was at my parents' house and I ended up getting COVID right after Christmas, and then literally everyone in our household tested positive for COVID. The symptoms kind of lingered for about 2 weeks and then I was better, but as y'all know, like the stress of being pregnant and having COVID, so I was not posting for that reason and just trying to get a footing with the new year. So this week, today's January 31st. We're going to be going to conference. I am currently 19 weeks pregnant, and I still want to do a pregnancy update. I need to post it though before I turn 20 weeks, because that's like half baked, of course. I have so many vlogs here on my what is this? On this one, not the broken one, but this one. The broken one was an extra. But I have so many vlogs on this one that I need to update. I may update them and just like post snippets of them, so y'all can see like what happened during our December that we weren't able to post, because I never had time to sit down and edit. And yeah, what else? We are moving into our new house this month. On the 28th of the month is when we're closing. We've already sold the house that we're in now, which was perfect. It was literally on the market for less than 24 hours. Or people requesting that I show more this pregnancy, or like as this baby's growing up. So again, the goal is for me to my mom is downstairs playing with Cam. The goal is for me to make sure I'm posting once a month, every single month, if not more. Lord, this is focusing on the wrong thing. But CJ and I are going to Florida this week also for our conference. It is virtual, but we had a special invite to go for a trip that we won back in 2019. The trip was supposed to be in 2020, but of course it got canceled for obvious reasons, and they are just able to redo it. So they call us down. I have to speak at that event. The goal is to also vlog there too, just to show y'all like what it feels like on this side of things, because when I used to vlog at conference, that was like when I was new in the business, not like a top income earner. And when I tell you they do it up, they do it up. So this was definitely like one of my top goals, to get to a top income earning rank and to be able to speak on stage and train other people and stuff like that. So I want to show y'all this side of things also, because it's so fun. And even as an introvert and a homebody, me and CJ both look forward to our events, our corporate events. So we're going to Florida this week, and then literally I come back and I have my 20-week appointment. If everything looks perfect at that appointment, I will be going to Philadelphia the following weekend, and I'll probably end up forfeiting my birthday and not doing anything for my birthday this year, because I have so much going on. And like I said, we're supposed to move at the end of February. So that is some of the updates. I will go ahead and show pieces, snippets of the vlogs that you guys did not get to see, so I won't feel like I'm like continuously vlogging content on top of what I haven't shared yet. You guys, oh my gosh, like today I had to pick Taylor up from school early because her eye has been pink and red. So I took her to the doctor. It looks as though she has pink eye. The doctor acted like she didn't really know. So I don't know, but from what I know about pink eye, it looks like it's pink eye. She did prescribe her medication for pink eye. Taylor was also complaining about headache, and she's been saying she's had a headache. Well, not the same headache, but she's had headache like on and off, like maybe like once every week. I honestly think that she is dehydrated because they take these kids outside to run laps every day, no matter the weather, and Taylor comes home with a full bottle of water every day. And she told me today she forgot to get milk during lunch, so she hasn't had nothing to drink today. She does drink with her breakfast apple juice, but recently she hasn't been finishing it because she has cereal for breakfast and then her apple juice, and she never finishes her apple juice, so she was probably dehydrated. So I got her a smoothie on the way to the doctor. She drank that and said she felt better by the time we got there. We are at my uncle's surprise birthday party. They're about to come in. Surprise! Taylor about to make some dream boards. This one is going to be hers. I got her a little 7 and I just cut this out so she can put this on top. Of course, y'all know she loves pink. This is going to be mine. I'm going to cover it with like different paper and stuff. And then these are all the supplies that we have. Stickers, magazines, letters, cute stuff. So the first thing that I did was I sat in the car with the kids and CJ. Well, you don't have to be in the car, but I was in the car. And today, you have my date there. We basically put out all the things that we want to do this year, the goals that we have, and yeah, these are our goals. So now it's time to put the goals on the dream board. Me Grace. Oh, y'all want to see my stomach? Hold on. I feel huge, y'all. I feel so huge. And people are like, no, you're not. But I do. I do. Hold on. I'm like wilding out trying to set this somewhere it has no business sitting. On the fireplace. So this is my stomach, y'all. Is it big? Cruz shook his head no. That's my stomach. What's that, Mama?
I don't know.